Yeah, it's a big one. And so many people like me, I'm currently a student. So many people like me, especially with this recent changes we've had, it's crazy. And it messes up with your mental health. You spent a lot to be here in terms of paying fees and like the sacrifices I explained earlier. Then having to think that you're you are not so sure of what the future holds or of your being here later on. So many people come here because they feel they are able to get better opportunities, and then you're getting here, it's looking like it's not looking like it, and then the feeling in the air like, oh, students should just, with this recent changes, students should just come study and go back. Fine, a lot of students said they were coming and they wanted to go back at the end of everything, but shouldn't they get at least a little bit of what they plan to have? Like, oh, you plan to work here for a bit through the postgraduate work permit. You wanted to get experience, you wanted to get a feel of what it is to work abroad, to live abroad and all of that. Even if you later plan to go back home, you don't plan to come and just go back without nothing. So it's a very big one on the minds of a lot of people. You are not able to sleep well. You have this sense of hopelessness that what's next? You don't really know. So it's really a very big one.